Sweet rice din, like Ate Gia? Ha?
Big boy ka na, ha? Just like ate. You can talk na, and then you can walk, and then you can drink milk ni mommy, and then just drink my milk, Jill,
Ba't nandiyan yung pilo mo? Langgaming yan eh.
Kuya, hawak mo.
Iwan din yan, Je. Jeyong Je. Sarap yan. Natin Gia. Favorite niya yan. Crab. Crabs and fish.
And rice.
And rice.
Magninigyan ng rice, eating ako. Just lagay lang dito, wag mo hulog. Marami yan. Sarap, mama.
How about fish eh? You're not eating your fish.
Magdimi nga heart, pero nga, hinapot dito sa likod ko.
Matumba ka dyan. How about you, Gio? You want to eat rice then? Pag big boy ka na. Dapat big boy ka na.
Just like ate,
Just like ate. Just like ate. Eating siya ng rice na.
And then crab.
And crab. No more milk na si ate. Only konti lang
Drinking si
milk.
ate, it's not drinking milk. How about you? You want to eat rice na rin?
No, milk lang
Para
sabi niya.
big boy ka na para boxing mo si ate. Push!
Ano mo tayo?
Kili-kili, gano'n. Kili-kili. Push, push, push.
Hindi, ganito.
Bad Bad si daddy
Gano'n, boxing mo si ate. Bad ka, Gio.
Bad Turo ka niya ng bad
Na-boxing yun, ha? Love mo si ate.
Tinuturuan mo ng masama
Yeah, push, 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 push. Push, push.
Hey, may kelo.
But si mama, high kick niya ako, baby ko, Love tayo.
Kung si mama.
Love tayo, baby ko. Love.
Dad, do you open ng kiss nga?
What?
Do you open ng kiss?
Can you open fish? Ganon?
Can you open please? Dad.
Ayan na fish,